Okay, Mr. Shimul, how are you today?
Yeah, brother, I am well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm so, and I'm doing fantastic. Okay, do you know what is the topic today?
Obviously, I know. Our today topic was tell us about a a game do you like most?
Okay, so say something. Which game you like?
Uh, First of all, it's my sons. Am I right?
Yeah, it's your sons.
I
Okay, no
agree
problem.
completely.
Okay, no problem. I'm sharing you my which game I like most. Actually, you know, I live in Bangladesh, and there are many game have in the country. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, there are many game have in our country, and it has two sides. One is video games, and two natural games. If I tell you, first of all, video games, uh, you can take it. It has many type of game, such as Free Fire, PUBG, then Ludo, Carom Pool, Bubblegum, blah blah. Many type of game have in the mm, group. And second side, natural game. Actually, it has your uh, badminton, then football, cricket, hockey, then blah blah. It don't have any count, but I like most uh, festivals in our video game Ludo. Ludo game I like because I think it don't have any bad effect, and anytime I won't be addicted on the Ludo game because it isn't that type of game that I will addicted. Just when I will be free and when I will get some others, my relative, that time just I can spend my free time. I can pass my um, boring time. So I liked most. Then second, your natural side. Actually, it has many type of game, but my natural side has some game that I like most. First of all, there are many shop has carom board game, and it has many friends. Actually, partner that you can play it. So when I go there, that time, I get many friends for practice. Sorry for play. So I think it won't be bad for everyone because I think it don't have any risks for addicted. So I play something it, then I play. Actually, if you think, then I am addicted some badminton because every uh, winter season evening time I play it. I don't know why. Uh, any day I can't leave it. Always, actually, daily I play it. Seriously. So I'm. I think it is. I'm addicted, but this addicted won't be any problem for our human body because it's a very short time, and this time will be needs for everyone. So I think it won't be any problem for you. And at this moment, if you see, in your handset has many games, and for the games there are many students is addicted for with the game, and for the addicted there are many students life is being uh, actually damaged. If I tell you, I have a three cousin. Actually, it's a boy. So there are two cousin is playing Free Fire. So they're playing Free Fire, and when I see them, that time just I didn't saw him. Sorry, saw them. I didn't saw them come out in his room. Just at this time, they are playing just Free Fire, online games, and Free Fire. So I think they have been addicted with the game. So obviously, it's a danger for students' life. Actually, they are students, and I think actually one boy, my one cousin is studying on class 9, and my one second cousin is studying class 6. But they are addicted with his cell phone. Actually, with his not cell phone, with his the uh, PUBG Free Fire games. So I think so obviously it's a very danger for our human body. If you do if you play many times this type of games, then your body will be very for your body will be very risks, because one man was my beside country's peoples. They played uh, 48 hours this game. After the play, they they have been died. Listened it. Actually, I'm not sure, but I listened it, and I believe it that it isn't any. Uh, sorry, actually, I have been forget this word. মানে আমি বলতে চাচ্ছি যে